Hello, dear friends. Today we will have an introduction class. Myself, Venkatesh Murthy SB, Assistant Professor working in Civil Engineering Department, SRES College of Engineering, Kopargaon. As you are all aware, during this lockdown period due to pandemic disease Corona, COVID-19, we are unable to gather together in the institute for engaging the classes live. Therefore, our management has made an arrangement to teach the students so as to carry out their progress of study during this lockdown period. Also, online teaching through learning management system known as LMS has started. It will be from today, that is 15th June 1920. As per the timetable, it must have been sent to you also. During those hours, online teaching video lectures will be uploaded to you and you can study and progress your career. However, in this today's introduction class, first of all, I would like to acknowledge and thank to Mrs. Harshada Wag, who has helped me and provided these PPT slides for online teaching purposes. I am teaching the subject for you this semester for the academic year 1920-21, Transportation Engineering. There will be 3 hours per week theory lectures. Of course, 2 hours for term work that will be carried out later by looking into the changes which may take place during this lockdown period. Examination scheme, as you are aware, there will be in semester exam for 30 marks of duration 1 hour and end sem exam for 70 marks duration of 2 to 2.5 hours. There are totally 6 units. First of all, we will see what are those units, and we shall have a bird view of syllabus content. In each unit, what are all the various contents to be studied in detail, just we shall have a bird view. Okay? To start with, Unit 1, Highway Development and Planning. Second, Geometric Design of Highways. Third, Traffic Engineering and Control. Unit 4, Pavement Materials. Unit 5, Pavement Design. Unit 6, there are 2 parts, Pavement Construction and Modern Trends in Highway Materials, Construction and Maintenance. We will be uploading the notes, handwritten or some photos of the material which are essentially required for you to understand and study on your own after you attend the online lecture. We will upload some assignment questions after particular theory part is covered, after 2 to 3 hours of theory portion is covered. Based on that, or even regularly at the end of each class, we may assign you some aptitude questions like, or some descriptive questions also we will upload, and numerical problems too, as the case may be. You are expected to complete it at home by understanding the material. Then you have to send it to us in the form of PDF format. As you are aware, you have already done during 1 month back for third year, fourth, fifth, sixth unit assignments you have done very nicely. We are happy to see that you will continue this trend of studies to progress your career. Okay, we will stop here for today. We will continue in the next class.